Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna play Grow a Garden. So, as you can see, I did not record any of this because I was too lazy. But yesterday, we got 4 beanstalk. Look, 1, 4, and this is the cacao. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 beanstalk. 4 beanstalk. That's crazy. And I also got 1, 2, 3 cacao seed. Let's see what is on the stack. Trash, nothing good. Apple. And I also got mushroom, but they are not choc. This not choc. Huge melon. And this moonflower. And I also got 2 mangoes, 1 kinda large cactus, a lot of coconut, 2 dragon fruit, a lot of pepper, 4 peppers, and I also got a lot of bamboo, peach, and I also got peach, and I have star fruit. Look, and by inventory, star color. This is patati. This is just 50 million, so it's not that good. And I think that's it. That's it, right? 11 basic spring pan. I also got this. Wait. I also got this floodlit and moonlit look. And I also got I was just looking at nothing good. Okay. And I also got this. I don't know what is this, but it's rock. How much is this worth? It's worth 7 million. It's not that good. And that's it. I think that's it. That's all of my things in Grow a Garden. See y'all later. Bye.